My friends, this is Jessica Tech Corporation Limited. I especially recall this short video about this Micro Brushless DC water pump of our series. This model, as we can see, DC40F-2460 model. Okay, this is the pump body. Inlet, outlet, both are half-inch threaded with external diameter about 2 centimeters. Yeah, inlet, outlet. About the standard of the thread, it is expected to be BSP rather than MPT, of course. This will be one pair of rubber base, which are used for fixing the pump somewhere when the pump is installed in a water processing system. Yeah, rubber base flexible. It can have certain performance of anti-vibration and noise. Okay, regarding the pump, it works at the rated wattage of 24 watts DC and with rated power consumption about 28 watts. Namely, the working current is about 1.2 amps. Okay, if we use a AC/DC power adapter, it is recommended to be with output capacity 24 watts DC, at least 1.5 amps, to make sure that the power adapter have sufficient power capacity to run this pump. Okay, in default, it is like this. Okay, it is with DC head connector, inside positive, outside negative. And to the cable length, it is about 1 meter long. If we mark it in feet, it's about 3 feet. Yeah. Okay, this is the default version. And when we as users want to change it to the bare cable connector, okay, we can just cut it off. This will be convenient. Yeah. As to the cable length, it is okay to fit most equipment installation because 3 feet is okay. Yeah. Actually, if we cut this connector off, it will be like this. Yeah. Red and black. Red will be positive, black will be negative. And we can connect it with our external other power supply such as battery. Okay. About the maximum power wattage, it is always recommended to be within 26 watts at max. Otherwise, it will be deemed as the over voltage, and over voltage will be possible to kill the pump's inside circuit components. Yeah, please pay attention. To this pump, the maximum static lift of this pump, yeah, is about 6 meters, also about 19 feet. Yeah. About the maximum horizontal flow rate of this pump, it can reach about 960 liters per hour. You will mark it in US gallons, it's about 250 US gallons per hour. Okay, it is the rough parameter description. And to the pump's working mechanism, as we can see, it runs with high-speed rotation or impeller within the cavity of this small pump. Yeah, impeller within, to push or throw the water inflow out of the outlet to achieve the performance of water pumping, water circulation. Our pump cannot be self-priming. Namely, it cannot absorb the air, suck the air, and then suck the water if the water is lower. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be the dry run abnormal scenario, which is illegal to the pump's working environment. Okay. Relatively long time, dry run will conveniently kill this pump. For example, if we let it dry run without water inflow or with quite little water inflow, lasting for about 1 hour or over, this pump could die completely because of intensified physical friction and also heat generation. Yeah, and this pump will become larger and dead. Okay, the pump itself is normally full in stock. Yeah. When the quantity demand is about 100 pieces, 200 pieces, because this DC40F model is one of our popular micro water pumps for various application scenarios. Okay, it's a brief introduction about this DC40F-2460 model. Thank you.